All right, today I'm going to go over my bull thesis on Verizon and why I'm buying. So you can see the dividend yield is at 6.72%. So why are you waiting? This thing's going to go back up. Look at the forward PE at 7.7. Its average is 11.5. You know at some time this thing's going to correct and you want to be able to catch that run up. If you're scared, you can tell it has 38 years of uninterrupted dividends without a reduction, 15 years of consecutive increases. So this company can handle any kind of recession. Shares outstanding is good. Total sales in billions is good. Please subscribe if you're liking this content. And then here's Verizon here. You can see I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I have $6,200 in it. Average cost is 41.78, so I'm down a little bit right now. But as you can see, I think Verizon's gonna come back with this economy. Amid certain economic conditions, investors looking for a steady income stream, long-term capital appreciation could consider buying Verizon VZ, as the company pays reliable dividends and possesses a solid growth aspects. Some people might be worried because Verizon lays off a small number of workers, but I think that's a good thing. I think they know the environment they're in and they're cutting back to save money. Its move comes after Verizon posted 34.2 billion in revenue, 5 billion in profits. They're basically cutting back because they're expected to save 2 billion to 3 billion annually by 2025, and their last cutting slash 10 billion in costs off their balance sheet. So I mean, they're just trying to save money so they can collect the dividends. Versus AT&T here, you got share price going down, and this was a buy the rumor, sell the news. If you're familiar with that, the concept of buy the rumor, sell the news is simple. It refers to a situation where a stock rises ahead of major news, and in events it declines sharply when the event happens. So here you can see they announced their $43 billion deal with to merge with Warner Media. This was on May 17th, 2021. I sold that exact same day. I had $5,600 at $29.90. Everybody was buying in, and I don't like when they did that. And after that, you can see you buy the rumor, it's going up, and then when the news comes out, you sell the news, and that's what people dumped it. And anybody holding at this point lost a lot of money and continuously are losing a lot of money. And worse, the AT&T CEO cut the dividend, and they had a major dividend streak until they started getting into these HBO Max and streaming and wasting money basically. So now the dividend was 52 cents per share to 27.75. So you lost money on the capital gains and you lost money on the dividends. So that's why, I mean, I don't even think AT&T can compete with Verizon. This is my account. I'm trying to get it back to the positive, but you can see it was a good month for a lot of us. A lot of my other videos I said to buy T. Rowe Price and others, and I am in the green for a lot of those. And then this is my monthly dividends here as it continues to go up. So this month was a good month. I had $236 come in November, and I bought shares with that. Here's my dividends. So you can see Verizon gave me $84.60 because of that big yield, and then Lowe's, Apple, Costco, and Starbucks. So that's where all that $200+ came from. So overall, I think you should, I'm buying Verizon. Obviously, I think it's solid. My dividend's gonna continue to gain, and overall, Verizon seems likely to remain a reliable income stock. The company's scale is hard to replicate. Mission critical services, brand recognition, and massive subscriber base should remain important competitive advantages. Thanks for watching.